The mesmerizing scenery of nature never fails to dazzle the viewer. The towering verdant mountains, murmuring rivers, unfathomable oceans and seas, enchanting valleys, richly blooming flowers, fruit-laden branches, crooning birds, warming sunlight and soothing moonlight create a panoramic vista without which human life remains dull and barren. Everyone gifted with aesthetic sense loves to feast his eyes on such adorable sights of nature. The calm winds refreshes the mind, and the early morning cool breeze solaces the senses. The cozy sun rays illuminate the paths and infuse a new spirit in man to start afresh on a new day. Nature never puts on a veil to conceal her charms from the seeing eye. It not only connects man with the world of sights and sounds, but also teaches him to develop a keen consideration for the other creatures like animals, birds, and trees. Thanks to the priceless gifts of nature, whereby God generates the tender feeling of love in man and enables him to understand the pain and appreciate the joy not only of the humans but also of the non-human society. No wonder the real splendor of human life lies in its close connectivity with nature. When man unravels the latent colors and stretches of the universe, he gets unbounded calm and delight, because nature not only delivers man of the grief and sorrows, but it also serves as his best healer and confidant. Man finds a cordial and emotional harmony with nature as he tries to feel the real happiness through dispelling his inner pain with the help of these beautiful sides of the nature.